Cryptocurrency has been one of the most talked about financial trends of the last decade, and in 2025, it's more relevant than ever. With new advancements, regulatory changes, and increasing adoption, many people are wondering, is now the time to invest in crypto? Let's break it down by exploring the rise of cryptocurrency, its potential, and whether it's the right choice for your portfolio. Why cryptocurrency is still growing. Cryptocurrency has come a long way since Bitcoin's launch in 2009. Over the years, we've seen massive growth in market value, with new players like Ethereum, Binance Coin, and Solana joining the race. By 2025, cryptocurrencies have become more than speculative assets. They're now powering decentralized finance, DeFi, smart contracts, and even non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Big companies are also jumping on board. From Tesla accepting Bitcoin to Visa integrating crypto payments, mainstream adoption is on the rise. Countries like El Salvador have even made Bitcoin legal tender, while others are exploring their own digital currencies. This growing acceptance signals a shift in how we think about money and finance. The benefits of investing in crypto. One of the main reasons people invest in cryptocurrency is the potential for high returns. While it's true that the market can be volatile, it has historically delivered significant gains for early adopters. Bitcoin, for example, rose from just a few cents to tens of thousands of dollars per coin. Cryptocurrency also offers diversification. Unlike traditional assets like stocks or bonds, crypto operates in a decentralized system, which means it isn't tied to the performance of a single company or economy. This makes it an attractive addition to many portfolios. Another benefit is accessibility. Thanks to technology, investing in crypto is easier than ever. With just a smartphone and an internet connection, anyone can start buying, selling, or trading digital currencies. The risks you need to know. But let's be real, crypto isn't without risks. Its price volatility can be nerve-wracking. One day, your investment could skyrocket, and the next, it could plummet. For example, Bitcoin's value has experienced swings of over 50% within months. There's also the issue of regulation. Governments worldwide are still figuring out how to handle cryptocurrencies. While some embrace it, others are imposing restrictions or outright bans. This regulatory uncertainty can impact market stability. Security is another concern. Although blockchain technology is inherently secure, crypto wallets and exchanges can still be targeted by hackers. If you're not careful, you could lose your investment in an instant. What's new in 2025? In 2025, the crypto landscape looks more promising than ever. One major development is the rise of green cryptocurrencies. With concerns about Bitcoin's energy consumption, new eco-friendly coins are gaining traction, attracting environmentally conscious investors. Another trend is the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, in crypto trading. AI-driven bots analyze market trends, helping investors make smarter decisions. These tools are making crypto more accessible and efficient for beginners and pros alike. Meanwhile, institutional investors are pouring billions into crypto. Hedge funds, banks, and even pension funds are adding digital assets to their portfolios. This institutional support is helping to stabilize the market and boost confidence among retail investors. Should you invest? Should you invest in cryptocurrency in 2025? The answer depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and understanding of the market. Here are a few tips to consider. 1. Start small. If you're new to crypto, don't put all your savings into it. 1. Start with a small amount you can afford to lose while you learn the ropes. 2. Do your research. Understand the coins you're investing in. 2. Each cryptocurrency has unique use cases and risks. 2. Look into the technology, team, and market trends before committing. 3. Diversify. Don't rely on a single cryptocurrency. 3. Spread your investments across multiple coins to reduce risk. 4. Secure your investments. Use trusted wallets and exchanges, and enable two-factor authentication to protect your assets. 5. Think long-term. Crypto is a volatile market. 5. Instead of trying to time the highs and lows, focus on long-term growth potential. Final thoughts. Cryptocurrency is reshaping the financial world, offering both incredible opportunities and significant risks. In 2025, its potential continues to grow as technology advances and adoption increases. However, it's not a guaranteed path to wealth. Success in crypto requires patience, education, and a willingness to navigate uncertainty. If you approach it wisely, cryptocurrency could become a valuable part of your financial strategy. So, should you invest in crypto this year? That decision is ultimately up to you. Just remember, knowledge is power, and a balanced approach is key to navigating this exciting, ever-evolving market.